They're doing the actual raffle or something. No, we're not doing another trip to the park. Nice. You know, it's a nice car when they actually stand by their car and they're not like worried about anything else. Their own thing. That must be a nice car right there. There's a guy standing by it. It's a Chucky doll in the back of there. I like the speakers. Chucky speakers here. Chucky with the knife. Mild power. Okay, you want to jump off and walk? Or do you want to ride? I'm going to put the tripod on, but you can ride after I put the tripod back on. Or you can try to ride now. That's a good time to learn.
Dad, where do I park? Right here? Ah!
I'm just going to get the tripod on so I can grip it a little bit higher. But maybe it's actually more personal to be not tripoding. It feels...
I rolled my pants down. Where are we sitting at?
Oh, we got a car coming out. Okay, back up. Ruby, go back. We're not setting up anywhere. I was gonna do a quick run through here and try to find the tripod. And then we'll go over to the other park.
The tripod what?
The main event. So I can carry it in my hand. Do you want an orange?
No, thank you, Daddy.
Oh, thanks.
Go in the park.
I'm just having a hard time finding anything.
For a second. We just go down the slide one time. Going back. I'm going back. Sissy, do you want to balance beam it and then we're wheeling? Going back. Okay, Sissy, I'll help you. Oh, lift your legs up. Okay, put your hands on hard. Hard as you can on there.
What's your vote? Yes or no? It's quirky. I feel like it's like the difference between
Hey, you don't.
people wanting to be filmed versus like where the hell is that going? Oh, I think we're making too much noise. Everything's looking back here. I think we're making too much noise. Nope, too much noise. We're making too much noise.
It was ghosting. Backwards.
Okay. Ruby, please get off the board.
Yeah.
Oh, sure. We're moving out of this. Oh my God, you guys.
Okay.
That's not funny. That's not funny, Cruz. Oh, just hurt your sister really bad. But that was really remarkable for science. Okay, are you hurt?
Yeah.
Well, that's not how you play on the one wheel. We're making an embarrassment. This guy is trying to back up, so get on the one wheel. Come over here. You're making too much noise. This is a serious event for them. Over here.
Okay.
We'll just roll through here real quick and then make our way that way.
You want to go around that way?
Yeah, I think the main entrance is like there or where we came.
That's over there.
Yeah, I don't know if there's a cut through though, so we'll end up coming out that way. Cruz, do you want to show people the cars on the vlog? Do you want to do it and tell them what you think? Sure. Want me to carry your bag? You want to help Cruz?
I want to go. How about you video the cars? No. Okay, I don't know.
The bag.
Dad, here.
You don't want it?
I don't know.
Yeah, people are. This is not like so much the friendly film. That's why I give it to him. Oh, it's hot batteries. She's a survivor and a work in progress.
Yeah, you learned how to do that.
Packer here. Probably. I'm just kind of fascinated by the sign, but then I'm like, whoa, this is nice airflow. Actually, look at this dash here. Pretty
DeSoto Airflow, 1935. Yeah, God. Yeah. Well, I did send you an email early this morning. But now I remember.
in consultation with Orville.
Yeah, I got this phone working with the charger and the vent spot, so I'm surviving on the iPhone right now.
Promotional film that showed it being pushed off the side of a cliff. When it landed, hadn't collapsed.
See any missed calls.
The doors still open and the guy got out, got in and drove away.
Oh, well.
It would have demolished many cars of its era. Is it going off the cliff? That's a cool story. Holy shit. Might be that story has a pretty cool history. Design consultation from Orville Wright. The guy invented the first plane that worked. They threw it off a cliff. They threw it off a cliff and then they drove it away for the promotional video. Yeah.
Dad!
What?
That's hurting my neck.
Okay, how long do I need to carry it? Why don't you put it on like this? Put that over your shoulder. That side on that side, and then this one over there.
That's the part that it's hurting really badly.
Okay, well that's why you put all the weight on this side. Oh, flip this around.
Well, this is
Here,
the
take this
side
off.
that hurts really badly.
Okay, put this strap on, like a shoulder strap. Can you flip it over this way? Okay. Cool stuff.
Oh, I wanted to buy that one.
Snow White. You know how he got that one?
No, what?
He kissed a girl when she was sleeping. Took the keys. Or he's Pablo Escobar. One or the other. Ooh, look at that dog and how mean he is. How vicious he is. Wow, that Model T.
How do you have to pay?
Bad joke. You gotta pay to go through there. This actually would be really cool to see them all drive out,
I know.
but I don't think very many. I don't think very many at a time.
I think the car show's gonna be over soon, so like that's why they're.
Maybe we go see the other thing, and if they start rolling out like in some crazy group, we come back over
Okay.
here. It does look like the fast people are like over there. No, you're good. We're
It's okay.
looking around.
I was gonna say she's actually not freaking out like most
Is that a nice dog? Is that a nice dog?
I was gonna say super sweet.
She's just. It's okay.
That's good.
Okay, can you throw that away, Cruz? That wrapper? There's the garbage right there. Throw it away, there's chocolate on it. Okay, I guess we're gonna have to jump down somehow. The car blocker. Move back. Okay, get on. Yep, a dirt bike. You drive that off-road.
I want to get a really skinny tire for that.
I was thinking about getting one like that.
That would be really cool.
Candy. Hey, Candy. On the ground.
Wrappers.
No, there was a mint. There was a star mint. Oh no. Stuff inside of a building? That's not conducive to one wheels. We haven't ridden service one wheel. I haven't ridden. Does anybody have a marker? I need to write service one wheel back on my one wheel again. Service one wheel. How much candy are we gonna miss?
There's gonna be a bunch of vendors.
Candy. We're missing.
Or is it?
You want me to hold this now?
No, look at me.
You put it like that? Like that?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's easier. Oh, 3 motorcycles parked.
This could be inside. No? I thought I saw lots of stuff outside over there.
Are we gonna go
Probably
to
certain
the
stuff. It
fourth
looks like there's
event?
something inside.
Dad, we're going to a 4th event.
Maybe it's just a bathroom. Kind of. Let's. If it's back there, let's go back there, but maybe just check at the building here. Okay, looks like they have a cafe, face painting. So I think stuff's spread out a little bit. Oh. Book sale here today. Okay, that makes sense. That totally makes sense. Because no one's expecting to go inside for anything. And to have a book sale, that's fine. No, that's just a bonus. How many days is it? It's a couple days? And we're on like the wrong, you said? Oh, you said we're on the wrong day? Or what'd you say? Oh,
super heavy.
pulled pork.
Dad, this
Pulled
is...
pork, babe.
Dad, oh my gosh! It's around Sissy's ankle! Are you kidding, Sissy?
Super
Get
dangerous.
it off! Get it off! Oh my gosh, Sissy.
There, what?
Sissy, why did you have it around your ankle?
She didn't do it on purpose. Or she thought it was safer. Even though that was like the most dangerous way possible. How about across this way and then it's on this side? Here. And then you don't have to do anything? Good? You want this
Made it
tighter?
hurt.
You want this tighter? Or just like that?
Are we gonna get stuff here?
Well, there's pulled pork, face painting, bake sale, barbecue lunch.
Face painting. Face painting.
Well, it's $5 for
No
a
face
small
painting.
and $8 for a
No
large.
face painting. No face painting.
And I'm sure the pulled pork is a little bit more than that.
I want.
Let's look at everything before we make a decision. How about that?
Okay.
They have ice cream sandwiches and pulled pork and
Well, I thought that you didn't have any money, so why are we even discussing stuff like that?
I have that card, $10, and I have that size ice.
You spent that money last night, I thought.
I use an emergency card that I forgot that I have. That is not. That's, I need to pay back.
Okay, so where are we going?
To look around at the event. Wasn't that the plan? I mean, or
It seems like it's an out, so should we go around?
I'd check in here first. I think this is the main entrance.
Daddy, I
Free plants for kids. Hey Ruby, they have little plants for kids. You want to walk and check it out? They have free plants for kids there. Lots of plants. Someone's drinking bothering you. Babe, is someone's drinking bothering you? That's an interesting approach.
What you gonna get?
$18. 2 Polish and a taco.
Thanks. I think Cruz is going to be happy about a free plant. They sprout it in front of them almost. Okay, they don't want us to ride it in here. Yeah, we heard you the first time. We heard you the first time.
They let you?
Thank you. No, we heard you the first time.
Oh, you heard me?
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
yeah, because there's no,
Yeah.
no.
No, we heard you the first time.
I know, but that means you have
We
to
heard
go
you the
that
first
way.
time. It's just not an immediate process. I'm going this way as fast as I can.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thanks for telling me 4 times.
Just glad you heard me.
Yeah. You can go back over there now and not block my way because I have 60 pounds to carry right in front of you and you're blocking a wheelchair right here.
Oh, but you have to go that way
To what?
to back out of the park.
Are you not letting us come into this
I said
place
you
here?
can't come in the park on those.
I'm not planning on it. I don't know
You're
why
literally
you're blocking my
walking this way.
I'm not riding. I'm not riding. Am I riding? Am I not allowed to bring my wheelchair in here?
Please, Austin.
Okay, now you're
I
escalating
didn't know
things.
it was a wheelchair. I looked at it as no skateboards in the park.
That's just why I'm calling it. I'm just calling it.
I know. You're calling.
Am I not allowed to walk with this?
You can walk with it.
Okay, that's my plan. So that's end of
just
discussion.
saying.
I don't want to talk to you. Okay. Cruz, come on. You're not going to carry that. You're not going to carry that. You're not going to carry that. We heard you the first time. We heard you the first time. Okay. Let's figure this out. Okay. Okay. This is why we only last about 15 minutes over here, because I to carry the stuff. It's like, ugh. Can I please use that to carry the one wheel? We're blocking the path. This is the whole thing that triggered me in the first place, is that we're blocking wheelchairs and we're blocking other people in the path. We're blocking other mobility devices. Need this rope to carry this. Well, I don't know that we're gonna get anything, but we're gonna look at everything, I thought, okay? Isn't that the plan? We're not making a plan yet. Getting it. I almost, she said, oh, you already talked to somebody about it, it's okay? Okay, go along. And then it went a totally different direction. No, it was like, no, I heard what you said to not ride. It's not an immediate. Can you turn the camera? I'm kind of in the sun. could have worked that out a little better. Like, hey, keep talking to Sean, or should we get out of my face so I can cool down a second? Because I'm not like stoked on kind of having to carry 80 pounds all of a sudden. But maybe I should carry this.
Okay, never mind.
I'm blocking the pass again. How about like, since this is such a hindrance for me, you guys enjoy this. I will suffer fucking through it. Dragging this shit through here. I'd like to see this.
Let's just go.
Why? We're here. I just like, I don't like, I'm overheating carrying all this stuff.
Exactly, so let's eat.
Carry this bag now. You want to go home so we can come back without the one wheels or something? What do you asking? Yeah, what are you asking?
I got more food snacks.
I know it's like, it's not that triggering for me, for the kids to be like, oh, I want this, I want this, I want this, and not like be able to get everything here. But I have no problem walking you through.
Then let's do that. Instead of,
everything I fucking...
okay, then if it's a problem, then let's go.
It's not a problem.
Okay, then let's go.
I just
then
don't
let's
want-
continue.
If you don't want to walk through, you want to just like check out the event real quick. So I'm not like feeling like I have to walk as fast as everybody. Okay, well, are you going to check anything out? It doesn't seem like...
You stand by, it's like...
No, I think I'm going to need that for something else at this point.
That's it?
Let's not talk about stuff, everything you want, okay? Why don't you take your hat off if you're hot or something? I kind of like how we have not seen anything pioneer whatsoever. Community stuff. Is it any little houses?
I'm not, I know that it's like them doing tours, like
Oh, okay. Well, you said Jenny House. That's what I heard.
Sure, we'll go with that. Well, I guess you didn't recognize that. Bruce, why don't you take your helmet off so you don't overheat? See how fast security comes.
You're riding those things, aren't you?
I don't have a disability. I just have eyes. Oh, that would be so true. I don't think it's true. Could be true.
okay, which one?
This cabin looks kind of abandoned. That's a hard temptation.
Yeah, let's not go that way.
Cannabis teacher. Love the idea. I don't get it. Well, I kind of feel like we're doing clickbait right now with a click.
Way down.